So a trusted real estate advisor provides expert advice. If you're a homeowner or you're planning to become one soon, you're probably looking for clear information about today's housing market. And if you turn to the news or even read headlines recently, you might feel like you're left with more questions than answers. The best way to make sure you get what you need is to work with an expert. Why you want to lean on a trusted professional with any big milestone in life, it's wise to seek advice from people who are experts in their field. While you likely want that advice to be perfect, perfect simply isn't possible, but professionals have the knowledge and experience to be able to provide you with the best advice for your situation. For example, let's say you need an attorney, so you seek out an expert in the type of law required for your case. They won't immediately tell you how the case is going to go or end, how the judge or the jury will rule, but what a good attorney can do is discuss the most effective strategies based on their experience and to help you put a plan together. They'll even use their knowledge to work with you to adjust as new information becomes available. Simply, the job of a trusted real estate professional is to give you the best advice they can. Just like you can't find a lawyer to give you the perfect advice, you won't find a real estate professional who can either. That's because it's impossible to know exactly what's going to happen throughout your transaction. But an expert real estate advisor knows the market trends and the ins and outs of the home buying and selling processes. They'll use that knowledge to explain both the national headlines and what's happening in your local area. That way, you have the best of both worlds and can feel confident in your decision to buy or sell, or whether or not it's a good time to buy or sell, depending on your situation. Freddie Mac explains having an expert on your side is so essential. The success of your home buying journey largely depends on the company you keep, and be sure to select experienced, trusted professionals who will help you make informed decisions and avoid any pitfalls. With their expertise, a real estate advisor can anticipate what could happen next and work with you to put a solid plan. Then they'll guide you through the process, helping you make decisions along the way. That's the very definition of getting the best, not perfect, advice. And that's the power of working with real estate advisors. Bottom line is to get expert advice when you buy or sell a home this year. Let's connect. If you have questions or if you're thinking about buying or selling, go ahead and reach out to me, DM me, and let's discuss. Let's discuss if today or next month would be a good time for you to buy or sell. I'm Dallas Tung, and if you like my real estate tips and videos, please like and subscribe or follow. Thanks for watching.